Hi. So it's been a week and it's time for another update. So we can begin by looking at my weight, which is bewildering to me because now I weigh 90.5 kilograms. That is, I've lost a kilogram. And I'm gonna be honest, uh, I have no idea why that is the case. I have not been particularly responsible this week when it comes to eating. In fact, you could even say that I have been irresponsible. But not only that, I haven't really been exercising a lot either, burning calories that way. So it is quite strange that I've actually lost weight this week. It could very well just be some weird fluctuation phenomenon, but I really don't know what to say. I guess that one explanation as to why um, this has happened is because I'm still sick. Not dramatically ill. I don't feel horrible. The only thing is that I have these coughing fits, and it's been quite persistent, honestly, and quite annoying. And when we talk about these coughing fits in the context of having back pain issues, then it's really not fun at all. And I would just, I really don't want this to be the case. Why now? Of all the times in my entire life, why do I need to have illness that gives me coughing fits when I have back pain issues? Why, when I am trying to recover from severe back pain, is this happening? It is so maximally inconvenient. It is literally one of the worst scenarios you can have for the sniffles. It is by far the largest amount of damage a disease which is really not something big can do. So it's so annoying and frustrating because in usual cases I would just be mildly inconvenienced by the cough. But now every time I cough, I get a fucking stab in the back. And that's not fun. It's not fun at all. And it's really hard to do anything about it. It's very hard to sort of ergonomically adapt your coughing. It's a reflex which is sort of purposefully violent. And there is nothing you can do about it. There is no way to stabilize your back properly while coughing. And yeah, so that's been fun. I don't think these coughing fits have done serious damage to my back long term, but they've definitely set progress back. And I'm sort of feeling that if it were not for the cough, I would be a lot better in my back. It's really holding me back. It's really sort of pushing me in the wrong direction. And I'm just desperate for it to end. But, you know, when it comes to the cough, when it comes to the illness, I've decided that since I'm not ill, I should start sort of going back to not, low intensity exercise. So going for walks and stuff like that. Maybe swimming, but at a very leisurely pace, just so that I'm moving, but maybe not that I'm trying to sort of exert myself too much. That should be completely fine. And hopefully I'll get back to the groove soon. I will be meeting with my physiotherapist tomorrow to discuss how things have gone, and he will sort of get an update, and we'll see, you know, how much have I progressed from the point where I came to him the first time. I think the overall situation has improved despite this fucking cough. But I mean, yeah, it's frustrating how much damage such a trivial thing can cause when you are having really bad health issues to begin with. Yeah, so yeah, stay healthy and maintain your back for dear life, because otherwise, even things that should be trivial are suddenly far from trivial. So let's end this video by looking at my body, my beautiful, wonderful body, and as we can see, there is no real apparent change. So, you know, I'm losing weight, but I can't really see it in these video logs. And yeah, bizarre is all I can say. Maybe this illness is burning a lot more energy than I'm sort of feeling that it is, because it's really not straining my health in any way besides just trying to break my back from the inside. That's the only thing it does. And I hate it so much for it. Yeah, so I don't really have much more to say on the topic. So until next time, have a good one. Goodbye.